What letter? No. That's not G. What? This one. What letter is this? Baliktad na lang. What letter? Okay. This one. What letter is that? This one. What letter is this? What? Hmm? Okay. What letter is this? Okay. What letter is that? Baliktad. No. No. Yan. What letter? What letter is this? Okay. That one. This one, what letter? Okay. This one? That one. Okay. What letter is that? What letter? Okay. That one. Okay. What letter is that? Baliktad, anak. No. What letter? What letter? Okay. That one. Okay. Oh, what letter is that? Next to A. Next to A. What letter? A, then? Okay. Yan. What letter is that? What letter? Okay. Okay. Good. Baliktad, anak. Yan. Hindi ka siya? Go ahead. Wait. Oh, yan. What letter is that? What letter? Okay, next. What letter is that? Look, what letter? Okay. Oh, what letter is that? Baliktad, no. Oh, what letter is that? Oh, yan na. Oh, what letter? Good. That one? Okay. What letter is that? Yes, that one. What letter is that? No? Oh, what letter is that? Okay. Let me see. This one H, diba? M. Ano next sa M? Letter? N. Oh, what letter is that? Okay. What letter? Okay. I. That, okay. Where's E?
This one.
No? Oh, you sing. A, B, C, D. E. Okay. What letter is this? Okay, saan yung C? Where is C? A, B, C. Okay, very good. Wala Z? Wala Z? Okay. Oh, you sing mo na. A, B, C. Oh, turo mo muna. Sing mo na. Show me yung letters. Dali. A, B, C, D. Go. What letter is this? P. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, oh, this one what letter? No, B. Z? Wala. What letter is this? This one. This one. This one. Let me see, Zia. What letter is this? Zia. What's that? House of duck? What letter is this? Zia. What letter? This one. Hey.